Alright guys, this used to be covered in rust, but I navel jellied it. You could see it ate up most of the rust. Now I want to put white lithium grease on it, which should prevent rust. So that's next. I just want to scratch away some of this powder, even though it's protective residue. I just want to clear away some more excess to the rust, get it shinier. There's a lot of stuff, junk on here. Got my white lithium grease by Permatex right here, and a brush strapped to it, which I'll use next. Most of this rust is gone, so that's good. This latch wouldn't even open at one point. This is a wire brush for cleaning plumbing pipe fittings. I think it's good for this purpose. Just cleaning up here. Why don't they just use aluminum? You know, this is so stupid. Or stainless steel. These people are such scammers. Alright, I got it. The white lithium grease on my brush. I'm just going to smother it all over. And I think this will make a big difference at keeping the grease out and keeping it well lubricated. This is the same stuff that's recommended for door hinges. So it's really good, and if it's recommended for door hinges, it probably isn't too dust and debris attracting, right? Car door hinges, this is universally recommended. So this is like a hinge. It is a door hinge in a way. It's well, it's a latch assembly, but it's moving parts in a car. Same type of application, lots of fine metal parts rubbing together and in a dirty place. So I think this will work great, actually. And I'm not afraid to put a lot on, I don't care. I just wanted to do a really good job and protect it really good. I'm going to cover everything. No more rust. But whenever I see rust, I can still come back and hit it with some more, you know. Just scrape it or navel jelly it, and then more white lithium grease. That's how we'll upkeep it. Paint would possibly just hide the rust and give the water more place to get trapped under. I don't think that's a good solution. The best thing would be to electroplate the whole thing with zinc. But I don't have a zinc electroplating setup ready yet. I have something in mind for that, but it's not ready. So yeah, there we go. Nice and thoroughly covered. That will not rust, I don't think, anywhere near as fast, and it should be very well lubricated and stuff, so we're good. I'm happy with that solution. Now I can put my white lithium grease brush away. And I keep it right with this, so I just put it on my container. I think that's a nice way to store it, like that, so that you always know which brush goes with it, because this brush will be no good for like paint if it's got grease all over it. So it's pretty much got a purpose now.